Welcome to my home, my smart home. Everyone knows how much I love to entertain, but hosting a party can be hard. Creating a smart home, on the other hand, easy. Now, you've heard of DIY. Let me introduce you to a little something I like to call SIY. Smartify It Yourself. Creating a smart home really is easy. I set mine up all by myself. I love that it makes my everyday easier and saves me time. All the things. Having Alexa in your corner is like having the ultimate assistant. Some might even call us a power couple. Don't tell John. With my Echo Show 21, I create shopping lists, save recipes, manage my smart home devices, and so much more. And with my Ring cameras, I can see every corner of the house whenever I want. It gives me peace of mind and an extra set of eyes, so nothing will get past me. Alexa, show me the family room.
Okay.
Oh, hi, babies. Oh, that reminds me. Alexa, add cat food to the shopping list.
I put cat food on your shopping list.
Thanks, girl. Let's talk party vibes. With Alexa routines, I can set whatever mood I want, whenever I want. And I mean a mood. To set it up, I open up the Alexa app and with a few taps, add whatever actions I want to my routine. Drum roll, please. Alexa, get ready for guests.
Okay.
Wait, okay, so we could use a bit of a groovy touch. Alexa, turn on the disco ball.
Okay.
Whenever I see Alexa in action, so here's my philosophy on entertaining. Host smarter, not harder. When you smartify it yourself, you'll be cool, calm, and collected, since your smart home does most of the work for you. Ooh, somebody's here. Alexa, show me the front door.
Okay.
John, get the door! Please. SIY, easy as pie. If I can do it, anyone can. Now, go smartify your home. You'll have more time to do the things you love with the ones you love. Alexa, I love you.
That's so nice of you to say.